Hey y'all, welcome back. It's your girl Princess Joe, and today I am back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I got to collaborate with the hair company Toyotress. So they sent 8 packs of their 12-inch crochet boho human locks, the color 1B. Each pack comes with 10 individual pre-looped and handmade crochet locks. Now these boho locks are made with 100% human hair, very lightweight and super quick, easy install. I did have a little help from my sister with parting. I only did 40 parts, and that means I only used 4 packs. Now, if you are interested in trying this hairstyle yourself, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Now without further ado, I'll be showing you how easy and quick you can install these boho locks yourself. Alright friends, we are going to get into the tutorial, but first I'm just going to be showing you how the hair looks outside the package. I did wash this hair before I installed it. If you guys are interested, please make sure to check out the link in the description. Once you order from Toyotress, they will provide you a crochet needle in your package. Now since I have individual parts, I will be using the Outre Springy Afro twist to wrap around the root of my hair and each lock. The first thing I'm going to do is place the pre-loop lock onto the crochet needle. Once the lock is on the needle, I'm going to open the crochet hook and place my real hair into the hook. From there, I'm going to close the hook latch and pull my hair through the pre-loop lock. The lock should be sitting on top of your real hair. Once the lock is on top of your braid, you can crochet your real hair through the root of your hair. This is just to secure the lock itself, making sure it does not slide out of my hair. Use your Springy Afro twist and wrap it around gently 2 to 3 times around the root. Go ahead and slowly go down the lock. For each lock I did install, I did only use 1 to 2 pieces of wrapping hair for a more natural look. You're going to repeat these same steps throughout your whole head until you're finished with installing all the locks.
Oh, you can see my scissors in it. Friends try.
This part is completely optional. What I did, I went on ahead and took a little bit of gel and went through each lock to secure the wrapping hair so it wouldn't unravel as much at the top of my locks.
Oh, you can see my scissors in it. Friends try.
But this is the final result of 4 packs of the Boho human locks. If you guys are interested, once again, make sure you hit the link in my description. I would love to thank Toyotress for giving me this opportunity to work with them, and thank you everyone that has tuned in to this video. If you are new and you want more cute and positive vibes like this one, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to join the 5-star club. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys all in the next video.